Is it time to buy or sell SOXL ETF? In this video, we are exploring SOXL in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 21st of July, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any critical updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 4th of June, 2025, our system has ranked SOXL as a strong buy candidate, giving it a score of 5.01. Let's examine the performance of this exchange-traded fund during this period. Those who followed our analysis would have experienced an impressive gain of 44.05% since we first listed SOXL as a buy candidate 32 days ago. This equates to an average return of 1.38% per day since it was designated as a strong buy candidate. The exchange-traded fund is situated in the lower range of a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, which typically signifies a favorable buying opportunity. If the lower trend support at $26.61 is breached, it will initially suggest a deceleration in the rate of increase, but it may also serve as an early warning of a potential trend reversal. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible change of 122.61% over the next 3 months, with a potential return ranging from 115.39% to 156.88%. In terms of the long term, our 12-month analysis projects a change of negative 42.57%. Our calculations suggest that the stock's performance could vary from negative 96% to negative 36.51% over the next year. In today's terms, this would place the future price between $1.10 and $17.46. Our latest daily update for SOC includes the headline, Stronger Technical Forecast for SOC ETF Price After Monday Trading. The SOC ETF price increased by approximately 0.622% on the last trading day, which was Monday, the 21st of July, 2025, rising from $27.33 to $27.50. This marks the third consecutive day of gains. It will be intriguing to see if it can maintain this upward momentum or take a slight pause in the coming days. During the last trading session, the ETF experienced a fluctuation of 3.86%, with a day low of $27.44 and a day high of $28.50. The price has risen in 7 of the last 10 days and has increased by 10.13% over the past 2 weeks. Notably, trading volume also rose on the last day, with an additional 11 million shares traded compared to the previous day, bringing the total to 78 million shares, which were bought and sold for approximately $2.15 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF reached $52.95, while the lowest price was $7.23. Currently, the price stands at 48.06%, or $25.45, below the 52-week high, and 92.73%, or $350.74, below the all-time high recorded on the 26th of November, 2020, when the price peaked at $378.24. Investors are showing renewed interest in semiconductors, driven by the recent passage of the One Big Beautiful Bill. This legislation is expected to boost funding in the chip sector, which could lead to short-term momentum for companies like SOXL, the 3x leveraged semiconductor exchange-traded fund. The current trend highlights that S&P 500 technology stocks are bouncing back, signaling a potential rally that isn't evenly distributed. This trend, coupled with the anticipation of a new artificial intelligence-driven growth wave, underscores SOXL's appeal for risk-tolerant investors seeking high rewards in a volatile market. Options trading signals have clustered around the $25 mark for SOXL, indicating a bullish sentiment and potential upside in the near term. as competition heats up with major players like Nvidia regaining market strength. The semiconductor sector looks poised for significant demand, personally benefiting SOXL in the short term. However, it's crucial to note that leveraged exchange-traded funds like SOXL come with risks due to their inherent volatility and expense ratios, making them unsuitable as long-term holds. Yet for those capitalizing on tactical positions, the momentum created by market dynamics may present lucrative opportunities for short-term gains. The interplay of increased demand and speculative trading could influence SOXL's price trajectory profoundly in both the near and longer-term outlook. The following signals have been identified for SOXL. The SOXL ETF shows buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a positive outlook for the ETF. Additionally, there is a general buy signal indicated by the relationship between these two averages, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. Should corrections occur, support is expected at the levels of $27.18 and $23.39. A decline below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. A buy signal emerged from a pivot bottom point on Friday, May 23, 2025, and since then, the price has increased by 74.94%. Further upward movement is anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Volume is increasing alongside the price, which is recognized as a favorable technical signal. However, some negative signals have also been noted, and these could impact near-term developments. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots revealed a buy signal 39 days ago. Bollinger provided a buy signal 147 days ago. The short-term moving average showed a sell signal 7 days ago. The long-term moving average indicated a buy signal 51 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggested a buy signal 50 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we see the short moving average generated a buy signal 61 days ago. The long-term moving average indicated a buy signal 30 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggested a buy signal 23 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you wish to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for SOXL. SOXL finds support from accumulated volume at $27.29, and this level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. This exchange-traded fund may experience significant movement during the day, characterized by high volatility. With a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this ETF is regarded as high risk. Over the past day, the ETF fluctuated by $1.06 between its high and low, representing a change of 3.86%. In the last week, the ETF has shown an average daily volatility of 5.08%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for SOXL. There's no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which means the exchange-traded fund could move upwards swiftly under the right conditions. In this case, you might want to enter a position and use volume to determine when to exit. On the downside, SOXL encounters its first support level at $27.29. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $26.48, reflecting a decrease of 3.72%. This exchange-traded fund experiences significant daily fluctuations, which contributes to its high-risk profile. There is a buy signal indicated by a pivot bottom that was identified 38 days ago. Is SOXL ETF a good buy? SOXL holds several positive signals and is within a strong rising trend. As the old saying goes, let the trend be your friend. We consider it to be a favorable choice at these current levels and anticipate further gains over the next 3 months. We have upgraded our analysis conclusion for this ETF since the last evaluation from a buy to a strong buy candidate. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 22nd of July, we expect SOXL to open higher by approximately 31 cents and start trading at $27.81. We would like to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor prior to making any decisions regarding the buying or selling of securities. You should not base your investment decisions solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. Here's our current perspective on the exchange-traded fund. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Don't forget to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.